how to create a WhatsApp poll with multiple answer options. This tutorial shows you how to make interactive polls in your group chats. First, open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. After that, open a group chat where you want to create a poll. From there, tap on the attachment icon, which looks like a paperclip. At this point, tap on Poll from the attachment options. In the next step, enter your poll question in the question field at the top. Following this, add your answer options in the options fields below. Once done, tap Add Option to include more choices up to a maximum of 12 options. From here, if you want people to select multiple answers, toggle on Allow Multiple Answers. At this stage, review your poll question and all the options you've added. After this, tap Send to post the poll in the group chat. Once completed, group members can vote by tapping on their preferred option or options. Finally, you can view poll results in real time and see who voted for which option. And that's it. If this poll creation guide helped you engage your WhatsApp groups, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.